This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, right. So all is set now. So we'll discuss today. We'll see stock removal process. Okay. So that time actually we are into the stock removal. Oh, sorry. Okay, let me open that. Who was not Jen? Mohan and one more candidate. Naveen Ravan and Ravi Kumar. Who is the other person except Mohan?
Sir, Praveen also with me.
Who is that? Another one?
Sir, join sir with the
Praveen, sir.
Praveen is missing. Yes. Praveen is missing and okay.
sir
No.
join
So
sir.
now, okay. Right. So now today we'll discuss about stock removal process. Okay. So put away operations means put away strategies. Somewhat we completed more. So one or two put away process left. That also I'll show you. But today we need to see stock removal here. Okay. So last time when we are doing, so the system is behaving in okay. So in different manner. Okay. Let us see today once again stock removal process. So generally, for any warehouse, okay. So we need to observe. So one is the material. If the material is coming towards the warehouse called put away. If the material is removing from the warehouse here, okay. So I need to issue the goods to some cost centers, okay. So or I need to issue goods to some customers here. So I need to remove the stock here. So the material is going out of your warehouse is called a stock removal here. So put away means stock is coming towards your warehouse and removal. So now put away is repent with the E and stock removal is repent with the A. So mostly what are the strategies we need to observe the stock removal. So we have LIFO. So LIFO in last in first out and FIFO first in first out. Okay, and stringent FIFO here. So stringent FIFO. So these are all three strategies enough. So here the stringent FIFO here. So FIFO most of the okay. So here storage steps means in the warehouse I have multiple storage steps will be there. So each and every warehouse number I have multiple storage steps is there. So each and every storage step. So only one thing. So we need to understand what is the put away operations we are doing the particular storage step and what is the removal operation. Okay. So first we'll see FIFO. So today we'll discuss about a FIFO here. That is first in first out here. Okay. So first in first out we'll discuss now. First here, first in first out here. What is FIFO? Sorry, FICO I written here. FIFO here. Okay. So here FIFO means first in first out here. Okay. So now let me go to the law and that. Which warehouse I'm using. So enter your user ID. No password here. Okay. So now, Mohan, just now we started. You're not. Yes, don't worry. I'm Mohan. So we started a stock removal. So on that day we stopped here itself. Okay. The stock removal, the first strategy. So yeah, mostly FIFO, LIFO, and stringent FIFO. FIFO we started first in first out here. So the stock removal strategies. What is the navigation? Please tell me the navigation. SPRO and SAP reference IMG. SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Okay. So here now come to last execution. So under the last execution, so you need to go to the warehouse management. So under the last execution, you need to go to the warehouse management. In warehouse management, you need to go to the strategies here. In warehouse management, you need to go to the strategies. So these strategies, the stock removal strategies here. The strategies we need to say the stock removal strategies. So
Hello.
somebody
Sir, అది స్క్రీన్ కొద్దిగా పెద్దగా చేయరా సార్ మీది?
ఇది నాది మ్యాక్సిమం అమ్మా.
అంతేనా?
రవి
కనపడలేదు
మీ
అసలు.
అంటే ఒక్క నిమిషం. నవీన్ అండ్ రాహుల్ మీరు ఒక్కసారి చెప్పండి. మోహన్ నవీన్ అండ్ రాహుల్ నువ్వు ఎలా జాయిన్ అయ్యావు? ల్యాప్టాప్ లోనా?
ల్యాప్టాప్ సార్.
ల్యాప్టాప్ అయితే మీ దానిలో ఇంక్రీజ్ చేయండి. ఎందుకంటే నాది ఫుల్ స్క్రీన్ ఉంది. ఇది నాది ఫుల్ స్క్రీన్.
ఇక్కడ షో అవ్వట్లేదు.
సార్ నేను యాక్చువల్లీ మీటింగ్ లో ఉన్నాను, మొబైల్లో లాగిన్ అయ్యాను.
ఓ రైట్, ఓకే. సో నాట్ ఇష్యూ. సో ఇది మాత్రం ఫుల్ స్క్రీన్ ఉందమ్మా ఇది. సో నీ దానిలో చూడు, నీ సెట్టింగ్స్ లో. ఓకే.
ఓకే సార్.
So here strategies. Okay, now we need to go to the removal strategies here. Okay, so this is already navigation path also, you know. So strategies, and in strategies we need to go to stock removal strategies. Stock removal strategies. The first strategy itself, define FIFO strategy. Okay, so define FIFO strategy. So what is FIFO strategy? You know, the FIFO strategy means first in first out. Okay, so which material is coming first, that material need to remove first here. So most of the warehouses, okay, so in most of the storage type we'll use FIFO only. Okay, so FIFO strategy only, and stringent FIFO also, LIFO. So three strategies we'll discuss here. So today, so define FIFO strategy. So before going to define this FIFO strategy, now first of all, if I open this FIFO strategy, define FIFO strategy. Okay, I come to define FIFO strategy, go to position and enter your warehouse number, ZWS. Okay, so here I go to ZWS warehouse. Okay, so this is my warehouse here. These are all different storage steps. Okay, so all these warehouse numbers, and we have different storage steps. The storage step 1, storage step 2, storage step 3. So we have different storage steps here. So all these storage steps here, so you can observe mostly. Okay, so here most of the storage steps we used only FIFO only. So it is also FIFO. The second button you can see here. This is the put away strategies, and this is the removal strategies here. So most of the storage stuff we are using FIFO. It is a fixed bin from the Material Master here. So means most 99. So 90% will use only FIFO strategy here. Okay. So now if I go to any one storage type, if I select any one storage type, we go to details button. Here F indicates here. The first box is for stock placement control. The second box is stock removal control here. Okay. So if I go to F here, so this is actually the FIFO strategy here. So FIFO means first in first out here. Okay. So now let us see. So in my warehouse, so I'll go to, so which material I'm using here. Okay, so the material, I need to observe the material, right? So here if I go to material, the material, so now go to LX02, or simply you can go to MMBE also. MMBE. So what is my material? So 1444, right? So this is our material here. So 1444 material. If I'm not wrong, this is the material. Okay. So ZWS1 store location here. This material, test material for the WM process here. So this much of stock is there. So 50 pieces here, 1980. Go to environment. Go to WM stock here. Okay, so in 001 storage type, so this is actually completely only 001 storage type here. Okay, and we have different storage types is there. Or simply, so instead of confusion, so I'll show you one thing here. This 1444 material. Okay. Now go to LX02. So however, we are applying for only 001 storage type. Already is there. I no need to maintain the indicator. Go to ZWS and 001 storage type. Okay. So this 1444 material. So this actually, now these are my stock positions here. So the same material. So wantedly I maintain the same material. Okay. So all are in 001 storage type in different bins here. 030301 bin, 030201 bin. Okay. And 030301 bin. So 05 different bins stock is there here. So this is the total stock 50. Here also 50. 25, 25, 175. So all the stocks are available here. Okay. Now this is the respective TO number. See, first of all, we'll go and we'll run the scenario. then what system is proposing, why system is proposing, so we need to observe. Okay, so now for that, actually what I need to do, I need to go to my metal master. So is there any indicators is applied, so we need to remove the material. Then we'll go to the storage step search here. Okay, where you can check here, go to mm02. In mm02 this 1444 material. So first of all I need to check my, okay, so material, right? So metal master, go to warehouse management to this. So here enter the warehouse, okay, so number. So now if I come here, right, so everything is clear. So stock removal, so stock placement, so there is no indicator, I have not maintained. If any indicator if I maintain, so particularly I want to pick this particular storage type, I need to maintain the indicator here. Okay, so again if you click on continue, yes, now everything is clear. So everything clear. Now whether I maintain the strategies properly or not here, this is also I need to check, right? So go to SPRO and SAP reference IMG, SPRO and SAP reference IMG. Now come to last execution here. So come to last execution. Last execution, okay. Now go to your warehouse management. In warehouse management, so here first of all strategies, okay. In this strategies, okay, so first of all activate storage steps are here. Means when I am removing the material, so the system is properly it is picking, means so when if I am put away, so what is the storage step and what are the parameters is included. Okay, this I need to see, right? So activate storage step search here. So storage step search I need to check here. So if I go to determine search sequence, so previously, so always we applied for E operation, but today if I remove this material, so what is my warehouse, ZWS warehouse? If I am removing means A means put away, A means remove, right? So if I go to A, so if I'm not using any indicator, storage means in metal master also not indicator, and there is no special stock or storage classes. The system has to pick 00 on storage. It is also good. Okay. So if I'm doing A automatically, so we are also planning to pick the material from the 00 only here. Okay. So 00 what we applied first in first out only we applied here. Okay. So storage step search is properly we maintain. Now what about my storage section search? So I go to the storage section search also. If I go to storage section search, determine search sequence, storage section search here. Now go to your warehouse, ZWS warehouse, and storage step 00. Okay. So now yes, storage sections is also maintained. So under the storage steps, we have storage section. Okay. So under the warehouse number, under the storage step, we have two storage sections is there. Okay. It is also available here. So here, so storage type is there, storage section is there. Now come to here. Now storage type, storage sections, and activate storage bin type search here. Okay. So now stock removal strategies already we observed here. So here, let us see. Okay. So now what is my stock position here? My stock position is okay. So we have 50, 25. I'll remove at least some 30, 25 pieces is also there here. Okay. So I'll give only 10 pieces here. Let us check here. 10 pieces means everywhere 10 pieces available. Okay. So if I'll give 30 pieces, for example, what you will say 30 pieces, 25 pieces is only there. Okay. I will take some least quantity, 10 pieces I'll make it here. Okay. 10 pieces from where it will remove. Okay. Now, you know what is the transition code to remove the stock? Okay. So to remove the stock, so we need to go to MB1 here. Stock removal, you need to, so I'm issuing the goods to cost center here. So enter the movement type 201. Enter the movement type 201. So which plant here? So 1000 plant. What is my store location here? ZWS1 store location here. Enter your store location ZWS1. I need to click on continue. ZWS1. So which cost center here? 1000 cost center here. Okay. And what is your material here? 1444 material. Okay. So enter the quantity some 10 pieces here. Right. So here material. So I'm moving 10 pieces here. So if you click on save, Okay, this already the system will propose the transporter. Okay, so automatically, so this I no need to show because the stock will be decreased in okay, so IM level and automatically it will go to okay logical storage step. So and see the material document and identify the T1 number, everything So by using LT06 only straight away, so the material document is generated. So straight away I'm proposing for a transporter. Okay, now what is the strategy we maintain? First in, first out here. Okay, so now let us first we'll go and you need to click on stock removal foreground here. So we have two operations here. One is foreground, second one is background. Right? So click on stock removal foreground here. So now system is proposing okay which storage step is proposing 030501 here. Okay, the system is proposing 030501 here. So why system is proposing 030501 here? Okay, so why system is proposing 030501 here. So this is most important with the con number 6 here. With the con number 6 here. Okay. So now let us see 030501 here. So which bin it is proposing 030501. Okay. With the so what is the con number here? Con number is 6 here. Okay. Means what is the strategy we are we applied here? So first in, first out here. So now let us see. I will show you. So what is the strategy we are applying here? First in, first out here. Which strategy? First in, first out here. Okay, in this 001 storage step. To search 001 storage step, activate storage step. Whenever I do the A operation, without an indicator, the system has to move 001 and the storage steps, storage sections such this So the same material is available in multiple bins here. The same material is same in multiple bins. So why system is proposing 030501 here? Okay. So why system is proposing? Because this material comes first here. This material comes first here. Now let me see here. So 030501. So when it is received here. Okay. So now I come to stock, the oldest con number here. Okay. So first in, first out means oldest con number. Select this material, and if I go to quantity here, see here the con number 6. So when the goods receipt is happened here, 29/10/2022 here. Okay. So here 29/10/2022. So with the con number 6 here. Okay. Now you can see the GR date also 29/10/2022. So this is the date, right? So here when is happened 29/10th month here. So 29/10/2022 here. Okay. Let me check. Okay, so now I'll cross check with you people here. So the phone number 6 here. Now what is this 030101 here? Okay, so 030101. Go to stock here and select here. Click on quantity. So this is the con number 14. See here before 29 after 31st year, 31st year. Okay. So the con number 14. So what is the date here? So the date is 31st year. Okay, 31st year means 29 is the first, right? Right. So now this is the not oldest. So this is the only oldest. So whatever it is speaking here. So again we'll check more some other year. And what about 03020? So just randomly check here. Okay, you will get one comment here. Go to stock here, select this line item and click on quote here. You can see this is 29/10/2022 year. Okay, so 29/10/2022. So 29/10/2022. Okay, so this is also almost all same year. Okay, but con number is 19 and con number is 6 here. So this is the oldest con number. The same day we received, but the oldest con number is 6 and so this is 19 here. Okay, so even though it's same date here, right? You can observe all. Okay, so just first time because once you'll get the clarity, then you can 030101 here. Okay, so 030101. So if I go to select here and if you go to con details here, the con number 75 and it is 24/11 here. Okay, it is not in 10th month yet, 11th month. Okay, so I think you understand. So why system is picking the, so what is meant by first in, first out? The oldest con number here. The system is picking the oldest con number. So clearly you need to understand. If I go to 030701, okay, so you can observe all this. Okay, so you go to quantity. What is this quantity number 66 and this is also here. Okay, No problem. So I think you created your own warehouse. Okay, you created your own material and observe all the GR dates and which is the oldest quant number system is picking or not. But here now you can ask me a question. But why we failed? Last time in actually class I failed, right? So here, so it is system is so is behavior improper here. Okay, that time what happened here? So really actually the stock sum was put away. So in two places the stock was put away, but I completed this here. So apart from these two, so whichever it is picking on the day, it is the oldest one here. Okay, so but stock is not completely oldest, available stock was not there. So whenever stock is for put away, the system will not consider that stock here. So here I am showing here. So there is a confusion in that even though I also wondered, okay, so the stock is showing, but I never seen the put away. So if the stock is in put away, I am seeing the stock. So the oldest date is there, but system is not picking. But when your stock for put away, it is on the way, logical storage step. So whenever your stock is stock for put away is a logical storage step, right? So that like this two line items was there. So I completed with, so this is actually middle of the business here. It is in put away logical storage step. I completed, means completely TO is confirmed here. Okay. So then, so here the completely stock was available. Then I run the scenario. So that's what I'm showing you. The class actually it was happened. Right. So now we observe how the system is picking the oldest quant number here. So quant number is 6 here. Now we complete this transaction code. This is about first in first. So what is the transfer order number? Your transfer order number 71 here. So we created transfer order number 71 here. So for the same transfer order 71, so let me go to confirm the transfer order. Go to confirm the transfer order LT12 here. Okay, go and confirm the transfer order LT12. Okay, so you can confirm the transfer order here. Confirm internally. Need to. Okay, so transfer order is confirmed here. Correct. Now this is about completely the in stock removal FIFO here. FIFO means first in first out here. Okay, that is quite opposite here. What I will do, last in first out here. So another strategy, last in first out here. So here come to is quite opposite. The first in first out means whichever the material comes first, it has to remove first here, the oldest quant number here. Last in first out means latest quant number here. Okay, so last in first out, I'll apply. So here you can see the same. I come to strategies here. Again, you come to define strategy for the LIFO strategy. Okay, before going to stringent, now first we'll see LIFO strategy. So this is called last in first out here. So define strategy for the last in first out here. See, for any one storage, so most of the storage steps we observe only FIFO here, first in first out only. Let us go to your number ZWS. For your ZWS warehouse. Now, if I come to here, so anyone, so for any one particular storage type or for better understanding, so for the same double zone storage type only, simply instead of F, what I will do, I'll make it L, last in first out here. Okay, last in first out, I'll make it here. I changed the strategy, so last in first out here. So particular this storage type, so I want to go with the last in first out here. Okay, so this is a stock removal, and what I'm making here, I'm making as a last in first out here. Last in first out here. So I made it into last in first out here. Okay. I'll come back to last in first out. Last in first out here. So in the last in first out. Okay. So now, first of all, what I will do, I'll try to receive some material. Okay. So means oldest quad number will be latest quad number will be generated, right? So now what I'll do, I'll create a PO here for this. To understand this, last in first out means so which material is reached last, it has to remove first here. Okay. So for this. So you without a PO also you can do, which is the last in first out here. Okay. Now for that, let us try here. Then again I will show you. So now go to MB1A. So what is my stock position here? I come to here, my stock position. So this is my stock position. So first of all, you just go back here. Again, if you go to June, so this is my stock position here. Okay, 0305, 65, 75 was then, now it will become 65. Okay. So now, so which of the system is proposing last in first out? I don't know. First, let me go to MB1A. In MB1A, so you're last in first out, right? So again, I'm moving. So for 1000 pieces here. Okay, so this 1444 material. So I'm moving for some 5 pieces here. Okay, I'm moving for 5 pieces here. So JWS1. Now we need to click on save here. So again, system is prompting transport order here. Again, you click on continue. Remove folder. Now why system is proposing 03, 010, 01 here. Okay. So what is the strategy we applied? Last in first out here. So 03. Okay. So 10, 03, 10, 01 here. Okay. Now please come to here. 03, 10, 01 here. So it is the latest year. Okay. Last in first out here. Okay. This material is received is saying last year. So 03, 010, 01 here. Now stock, when it is received, we need to observe here. Okay. Select and click on compare. Yeah, 03, 10, 01 here. So the quad number is 92 here. The quad number. So when exactly it is happened here. So 29th November. 29th November. So it was happened here. So 29th November 2022 here. Okay. So when just a few days before only it is happened, right? So today is 5th year. Yes, 29th November 2022 here. So 03, 010, 01 here. So now apart from this anything, so last in first out clearly it is working. Okay, so now you can see just roughly will calculate this is actually when it is received. So upside already we observed here. If you go to point here, so this is actually 7th November here. Okay, so 7th November means it is not oldest, right? So this 23 count number. Okay, latest, it is not latest year. 29th only, 29th November only latest year. Okay, I can cross check here. Okay, so here which is the latest one? First we will do the scenario, and after the scenario also today itself also will receive. Then system has to propose that one. Okay, so now so complete the scenario. So why it is showing back post also, 95 pieces means we are removing 5 pieces. Again, I'm going to keep in the same the font number 92. So this is also a transfer order 72 is created. Now we need to confirm the transfer order. So MT12 confirm the transfer order. So confirm internally. We need to click on the transfer is confirmed. Now what I will do for the same storage type. Okay, so in the warehouse, so for this material I'll receive the latest year. So now the system has to propose that last in first out means now for this let me create a PO ME21 transaction code here. ME21 transaction code, enter your vendor. So enter the purchasing organization, purchase group, and enter the company code. Enter your material code 1444. Some quantity. Enter the plant or store location. Your store location is JWS1. You need to click on save here. So if you want to save, you can able to save here. Right. So 45300 17265 here. 45300 17265. So copy the PO number. So this PO. Okay. So now to come to here, this PO. So go to perform the MIGO here. Okay. So again, this PO, let us perform the MIGO. So goods receipt. Purchase order, enter the purchase order number here. item, okay, material, the quantity, inventory type of plant and store location, purchase data, partner type, doubling. Okay, you need to click on check and you need to push this. Material document is posted here. Once the material document is posted, you go and see the display of the material document. You need to click on execute here. Now, if you see the WM document, the TR number is 63 here. Okay. So once you will identify your TR number, please confirm this transport area. Okay, the 63. Let us go to LT04. Confirm the create the transporter 63. Put away. Yes. So why system is proposing 002? Okay, I want 001. Okay, I want 001, right? So I'll leave one thing. So your number is okay. So storage types are here. The storage types here. So we'll open one more. We go to SPRO. So why system is proposing 002? Okay. So your last execution. Go to warehouse management. Strategies. It has to move 001, right? So system has to 001. So now go to ZWS. If I'm doing E operation, for the E operation, so I maintained, sorry. Okay, so I maintained 001, 002. So this 002 was maintained here. Okay, that's what the system is proposing this here. Okay. So when I'm doing goods, means put a operation 002 storage type is there. So that's what it is called a 002 storage type here. Now we come to here. Now this time it will try to do the, okay, so here LT04. When you're converting LT04, okay, so enter your TR number. Fully subtotal. 61, I think. Now go to MB03. So this is the latest material document, right? Details of it. W details. Yeah, TR number 63 only. Okay. TR number 63. Okay, so LT04. My system. Edition is fully supplier. Okay, somewhere you put on the material document. I think somewhere it is opened here. Okay. Okay, operation. So here go to MB03.
హలో సార్ ఇది మా
Ama.
ఇంటి పక్కన మా అన్న ఉన్నారు కదా మా ఇంటి పక్కన శ్రీకాంత్ గారి మా ఇంటి మధ్యలో శ్రీకాంత్ గారు ఉంటున్నా మా పెద్ద అది వాళ్ళది పడకాయ ఉంది కదా వాళ్ళు ఇప్పుడు రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ చేయాల్సింది.
Okay, so TR number 63. So here when you go to TR number 63, first of all you go to MMB. Maybe you want automatic confirmation or not, so you can go to environment. Go to WM stock here. Okay, so here any 902 is there? It's 902, so it is for put away. Okay. Okay, so means already this 63 we transferred. Go to LB03, TR number 63. Yeah. S73 T1 number is confirmed. Just we need to confirm the transfer order. Okay. So we need to confirm the transfer order and LT2. Cancel. Okay. So I think we maintain automatic. So maybe immediate TO is already applied here. So let us see here. I'll go to LX02. LX02. You can see LX02. So for storage type 001. Okay. Now there is no put, so completely available stock is there. Okay. So now this time for performing. Okay. So last in first out here. Okay. Last in first out. So if you perform. Okay. So what is your TO number? 71. Okay. 0301. Now this time if I'll perform MB1A, go to MB1A, go to ZWS1. Okay. So enter the cost center. So I'm moving more 10 pieces here. Okay. So more 10 pieces if I'm moving here. So here I need to console. So transfer proposing for transfer order to material. Now 03 010 01 here. Okay. So why system is proposing 03 010 01? So previously we have done. Okay. The same thing. So now always it is last in first order. Okay. Which material is received last? The system has to pick that material. Okay. So last in first order here. Okay. So we observed with the quant number 92 here. Okay. So 03 010 0 here. Okay. Come to here. 03 010 01 here. 03 010 01 here. We come to here. Select. I go to quant here. This is the last in first order. Okay. Try to. So today date here. So automatically the system will propose it. Okay. So that you can do it here. So now let us complete the complete transaction. So with today date also. So now just I'm just now tried because of 001 instead of 002 it is called here. Okay. So now once again you do. Okay. So means previously it is called for 002 storage type. Okay. 002 storage type is called here. So when the stock is in 002 storage type. But when you are practicing today date also you received some stock with the same storage type. Next when you are removing, the system will propose with the today's quant number here. Okay, that you can check here. No, the 74 transfer 74 is created here. Okay, so once you complete the 74 here, now transfer 74 is created here. Now go to T12, confirm the transfer order, confirm internally. You can click on save. So this is a two you need to practice, one LIFO and FIFO here. So in stringent FIFO here, what is stringent FIFO? Just I explain this also. You can stringent FIFO here. Okay, stringent FIFO also let us see here what is stringent FIFO. And I'll go to the system. You can understand here stringent FIFO here. So LIFO we understood here. LIFO and FIFO here. FIFO means first in first out. LIFO means last in first out. Okay. So for if you go to your warehouse, ZWS warehouse. Okay. So particular storage type. Okay, most of the storage type you can observe FIFO. So FIFO means first in first out and LIFO means last in first out here. Okay. Again I changed here. Okay. From FIFO. But what is stringent FIFO here? Okay. What is stringent FIFO also you need to understand. It is very simple here. So here stringent FIFO means Example, so I am keeping same materials in real time also. So in my warehouse, I have multiple storage steps is there. I have multiple storage steps. Okay. So here the same material I am keeping in more than one storage steps here. Example, some 10 storage step or 2 or 10, whatever the, okay, more than one. Okay, maybe it 3, 4 or 5, whatever. Okay, more than one. The same material is available. So previously system is searching for only one particular storage type only. I have multiple bins, which is the oldest quad number here. But if I go to stringent FIFO, the system will search across the warehouse here. So it means the same material is available in ZWS, the storage type 1001, the same material. Okay, so ZWS. Okay, I have storage type 2. Okay, 002. I have storage type. Okay, so ZWS storage type in. So the same material is available in multiple storage type. Okay, 001, 002, 003. So all the storage types is there. Okay, so the latest means the oldest system will propose. Okay, so here the oldest quad number. So previously in a particular storage type, now this time the system will search across the warehouse here. So this is most important here. But where you can see, so simply you go back. So if you want to define strategy for stringent FIFO here, define strategy for stringent FIFO. So first of all, this you can practice here. Okay, so now you can. So what you do, just same material you maintain multiple storage types. So define strategy, stock removal strategy for stringent FIFO. So first of all, you need to activate here. Okay. So that is locked. So somewhere I opened it. So that's what that is locked here. Let me close all. So here first you go to activate here. Okay. So if I want to activate here, so how to activate my stringent FIFO here? Okay. So just you go to position, enter your ZWS warehouse. What is the operation? A operation, right? So ZWS warehouse A operation. Here just I need to remove this 002 storage type here and 001. So if you want to extend stringent, so I need to maintain star 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 here. Okay. So if you want to go with the stringent, so you must enter star star star, means the system is, so A means removal here. So what is the meaning of star 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 means? So in suppose I have 10 storage type, physical storage, all the storage type oldest quad number system will pick. So to activate here, you need to maintain star 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 here. Okay, now you need to click on save here. The system has to search as the warehouse, but material should be same, not for different. Same material is available, multiple storage type. So previously system is searched for only a particular storage type. Now this time the system has to search all the storage types here. Okay. Now again you go back. So define here. So now see, even though if you maintain, so I have a couple of storage type is there. Next step also you need to observe. So here exception for individual storage types here. Okay, for in my warehouse, I have some 4 to 5 storage types is there. Any one storage type I want to know stringent strategy, so you can select here. Okay. Now go to your ZWS warehouse and enter a particular storage type. I don't require no stringent, so immediately you can select here. So means in this storage type, your stringent will not work here. In this storage type, the stringent will not work here. Okay. So whichever the storage type you don't want stringent, so exception, so you can select here. The second one here, remaining everything is remain same here. So just activate. So this is actually stringent with a suppose now SLED means the self life expiry date. Okay, this batch management is okay. So if you know the batch management, so like based on the batch management, so self life expiry date here. Okay, so which material is expiring first here? So this material. So with the SLED also, if you want to activate, you can activate. But up to this configuration is enough. Now after doing this here, now you go and do so. Try to remove the stringent FIFO. So how the system is. So such if you maintain the same storage step. Okay. This is about today's session. So just you practiced. So today 3. So one is LIFO, second one is FIFO and stringent FIFO. So just to go through this record after 1 or 1.5 hour, I will forward this record to you. So just you practice. Okay, Navin and Rahul.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Raj sir.
yeah,
Hello.
Ravi Kumar.
Sir, I have one doubt. See, after
Tell me.
entering SAP, you said to show the production developing how to go and enter our data.
What data? Production data.
సార్ సరే ఇప్పుడు మనం ఎస్ఏపి ఎంటర్ అయిన తర్వాత మనకు ప్రొడక్షన్ ఉందా సపోర్ట్ ఉందా అని మనకు చెప్తా అని చెప్పారు కదా ఒకసారి అది ఒక్కసారి షో చేస్తారా సార్ అది
మీకు మీరు చెప్పేది నాకు అర్థం కావట్లేదు రవి కుమార్. అంటే మీరు ఎగ్జాక్ట్ మీ క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే మనకు అంటే డెవలప్మెంట్ క్వాలిటీ ప్రొడక్షన్ ఏంటి అని.
కరెక్ట్
డెవలప్మెంట్ సర్వర్ ఏంది, ప్రొడక్షన్ ఏంది మీకు ఒక. సో ఫస్ట్ అది రేపు చెప్పినా ఏం కదా మీకు.
ఓకే సార్ ప్రాబ్లం లేదు
ఇప్పుడు అర్జెంట్ లేదు, రేపు ఒక దగ్గర పీపీటీ ఉంది, నేను రేపు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. ఓకేనా,
రైట్
ఒక హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసిన తర్వాత మీకు రేపు క్లాస్.
ఓకే సార్
సార్ నోట్స్ సాఫ్ట్ కాపీ పంపిస్తారా సార్?
మీకు ఆల్రెడీ ఇనిషియల్ ప్రింట్అవుట్ తీసుకోలేదా? ఫస్ట్ ఇనిషియల్ గా ఇచ్చారు చూడు మీకు.
ఇనిషియల్ ఆఫ్ ఇచ్చారు సార్ అది.
టోటల్ సాఫ్ట్ కాపీ మీకు నేను గ్రూప్ లో పెడతాను, ఇప్పుడే పెడతాను.
ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ